Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to create your Best Buy account in your mobile phone device. For that, make sure you open one preferred browser. Now at the search bar, simply search www.bestbuy.com. You will be led to this official page, and at the top you can see the 3-line icon. You need to tap over there. Now here you can see two options, sign in or create account. At the top we will choose create account. Now here you need to write down your first name, likewise your last name, as well as you need to write down your email address. You also need to create a very strong password. After you are done writing your password, you need to confirm the password once again, and you need to write down your mobile number to get the verification code in your mobile. Now after you are done writing your information or credential, you can simply tap on create account and you will be led to the next page where they will be guiding you to create your Best Buy account, and after that your Best Buy account will be simply created. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.